Hey everyone, so today I want to open up the oil filter for my Corolla. I just finished doing another oil change and I've been doing 10,000 mile oil change intervals. So I want to cut this filter open today and take a look at what an oil filter with 10,000 miles looks like. Now, I've done visual inspections of the oil, I've done lab inspections of the oil, but I've never really taken too close of a look at the filter itself. So before I start to really cut it open, I want to take a look at this thing. So you can see there's nothing built up in the filter itself. I let it drain for about an hour, let all the oil run out of it as possible, but nothing is left behind. There's no metal shavings, there's no varnish, there's nothing gummed up, there's no oil sludge. So the filter actually looks really good. You can even see in some of the pleating actually has the numbers punched into them, or printed into them rather, and you can even still see wherever that was, that's still there somewhere. So despite 10,000 miles, this thing looks like it's in really good shape. There's really nothing abnormally in it. So we'll cut this thing open the rest of the way and take a closer look at the pleating. These things aren't really designed to be broken apart because they have plastic to hold them together, but this looks really good. Wow. There's literally nothing in here abnormal that I can tell. So I'll pull this thing apart a little bit more. This is a genuine Toyota filter. This is the factory recommended one for this car. And wow, we're looking really good. I mean, this thing is doing its job. You still see all the fibers there. There is nothing, I don't see anything abnormal. Nothing's built up. So I do probably about 90% highway driving in this car. That's why I've been doing the 10,000 mile oil changes. That's why I did the lab analysis, just to take a look. I'll pull this thing apart a little more, take a look. Another part of it. These 2015 Corollas use this cartridge style filter, so rather than the traditional spin-ons, you just have the element left when you do the changes. A little tiny something there, but that looks like a piece of fabric almost. I don't think that's anything problematic. It doesn't look like a piece of metal or anything. Overall, we're in really good shape. It's a little tiny dots here and there, but those don't look like they're metal at all, so it could just be little tiny carbon deposits. It's just the filter normally collects. But we're in really good shape for 10,000 miles. So overall, we're looking really good here. So there's the Toyota part number for it. It's still visible. So we're looking good. So like I said, about 150,000 miles on this car. The game plan is to keep running, to keep doing what I've been doing, keep doing the 10,000 mile oil changes. When I get to 200,000, I'm probably going to do another lab analysis just to see where we're at. But the last lab analysis I did came back really good. Everything was in really, really good shape. The filters were in good shape. There was minimal particulates in the oil, well below the safe standards. The oil was in really good shape too. So we're looking pretty good. So 150,000 on the car, and I'm just going to keep doing what I'm doing and just keep driving and maintaining the car. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.